Hello everyone, my name is Jampa Rizikura, and first of all I would like to say thank you for YouTube for giving me the opportunity to use this platform to share some of my little experiences and opinions about importance of mindfulness. And I would like to say thank you for all of you, those who are watching this video today. And about 6 years ago, I was going through some new difficulties through some of my mental sufferings that I didn't know at the point what was really happening in my mind. And I was having a lot of anxiety, depression, stress, manic, and my mind was also racing 100 miles per hour, and I was having 100 thoughts within a minute or so. And then I spoke to one of my close friends. His name is Sheriff, and he recommended me to mindfulness meditation on YouTube by Mingyu Rinpoche. And then I started listening to his meditation mindfulness techniques, and it has been about 6 years, and it transformed my life completely positively. And I don't have that anxiety, depression, the manic, and racing thoughts and panic attack that I had before. Because for 6 years straight I was able to practice mindfulness meditation every day. And about a few years ago, I have been practicing mindfulness meditation 3 to 4 times a day. So from my own little experience, it has been a great benefit in my own life itself. So before I explain more about my own experience, I'm going to share a moral story that I made up. And the story is regarding about how mindfulness is important in our life, and that is the topic today of my video today. So the moral story is regarding about this curious son who was 6 years old, and he always asked why and how, as most of the kids do with a curious mind. So one day, the mom and the son woke up in the morning, and the mom went to the bathroom, started brushing her teeth, and her curious 6-year-old son asked, "Mommy, why do we have to brush our teeth?" And the mom replied, "We have to brush our teeth because if you don't, we're going to get cavities in our teeth and start having pain and start having suffering." And then her son also picked up his toothbrush and started brushing his teeth. And then the mom started washing her face, and her curious son asked, "Mommy, why do we have to wash our face?" And the mom replied, "The reason we have to wash our face, because if you don't wash our face, we will get skin infection and eventually get sick and have a lot of pain and suffer." And then the son also started washing his face. And after that, they both went to the dining table kitchen, and the mom started eating her breakfast. And a curious son asked, "Mommy, why do we have to eat food?" And the mom replied, "The reason we have to eat food is because our body needs nutrients, proteins, and energy to function. If you don't eat food, we will get weak and get sick and suffer eventually." And her son also started eating his breakfast. And then they both got dressed, and the mom dropped off her son to school, and then she went to work. After 8 hours completing her work, she picked up her curious son, and they both went home. When they both got home, the mom was very tired and exhausted, and she sat on the sofa and laid her head back down and just rested a little bit. And her curious son walked by her mom, and her son asked, "Mommy, are you doing okay? You look pretty tired and exhausted, and you don't look so good. Are you sick?" And then the mom replied, "You know, son, today I had a long day at work, and I'm pretty tired, and I have so many things, too many things in my mind, and I am a little bit sick, and I have a little bit of headache." And a curious son asked, "Mommy, did you wash your mind and feed your mind?" And the mom was so surprised because her 6-year-old asked a very interesting, surprising question that no one had asked her in her life. And no one had even taught her that there is a way to wash your mind and feed your mind, and how important it is. And starting the next day, the mom and the son both started doing mindfulness meditation practice every morning and in the afternoon, and one in the evening before going to bed. So the moral of the story is, as important it is to take care of our physical health and our physical hygiene for our own survival and for our own happiness, we must also take care of our mental health and our mental hygiene by washing our negative emotions and feeding with positive emotions through mindfulness meditation practice. And we all must have the same question the 6-year-old curious boy asked. The reason we wash our face, brush our teeth, eat food to take care of our physical health and our physical hygiene. We know that having this physical body, we have to take care of our physical health and our physical hygiene. But now the real question comes down to, when was the last time did you ever wash your mind and feed your mind? That's why one of the reasons we are having all this anxiety, stress, panic attack, and manic and anger because of this lack of mental hygiene and mental health. So we have to balance both our physical health and our mental health for our own peace of mind, for our own happiness, and for our own health. So this is the video. I'm going to stop right here, and I hope this video was helpful and gave you some new knowledge and new understanding how mindfulness is important, how and why we should take care of mind as we do take care of physical health. And if you think this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, so that way other people can also get this information, how mindfulness is important. In my next video, I will be sharing about how our mind and body is interconnected, and what is a mind and how to find a mind and the actions of our mind that we go through every day. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video once again, and have a wonderful, thankful, joyful, positive, mindful day. Thank you.